guys, welcome back to this week's edition of New Makeup Sunday. So it's not going to be as long as they've been in the past. I didn't have actually that many things to open this week, but I do have some new Juvia's Place products to share with you. I got my Beauty Creations order from Black Friday. I got my Boxycharm in. I also have a giveaway for you guys from Profusion down in the description box below, so definitely check that out. So anyway, let's go ahead and cut to the video and then I'll see you guys back here. Good morning, happy Monday. So I wanted to make you aware that my son is home today, so you may hear some noise in the background over there. He's right in the living room. He's got a little cold. So anyway, I got two packages over the weekend, one from Juvia's Place and one from Bad Habit. So first up from Bad Habit, they sent over their Crystal Palace highlighter collection. This is brand new, just launched recently. And here's what the palette looks like. Inside you have 4 highlighters. I'm not sure if this is supposed to be a dupe or anything because I know Bad Habit normally dupes different palettes, but I don't keep up with highlighters as much as I do with eyeshadow, so I'm not really sure. So let me go ahead and do some swatches. All right, so here are the swatches from left to right. We have Moonstone, Auroras, Rose Quartz, which is a really pretty duochrome, and then Prisma. And these are really glittery, really sparkly. They kind of remind me of the ones from AS Cosmetics that I talked about in last week's haul. They feel almost like a baked formula. They're a little more on the dry side, but really, really shiny. So I think they're super pretty. All right, and I am so excited for this, you guys. This is the new Tribe collection from Juvia's Place. So there's a palette and 3 highlighters. Let me just show you the palette. I saw this online, but it is so much prettier in person. I don't think I have any eyeshadow palettes that look quite like this, which is one of the reasons I love them so much, aside from the amazing formula. They just come up with some really unique color schemes. So this is so pretty. I'm gonna swatch this for you guys in a second, but let's check out the highlighters really quick. All right, so here are the highlighters. They just have volume 1, volume 2, and then volume 3. And these 2 are gonna be amazing on deeper skin tones. Probably not mine. I think I can probably wear this one right here. So let me go ahead and swatch these for you guys. All right, here they are swatched, volumes 1, 2, and 3. And compared to the Bad Habit highlighter palette that I just swatched, these are so incredibly creamy, way, way more metallic. I feel like the Bad Habit ones were a little bit more on the powdery side, even though they were shiny, but these take shiny to a whole nother level. They're like liquid metal. They are so beautiful. And then here's the eyeshadow palette swatched, and this is so gorgeous. I cannot even get over how pretty this palette is, and of course, the formula is amazing as always. So now that I just opened those boxes from the weekend, the mail truck just arrived. It's like 9 o'clock in the morning, and I have a couple more boxes down here, so let's bring these in and open them up. Okay, here's what was in the first box. This is the new Glamlite Pizza Palette. I saw this on Instagram and I was like so excited. I was hoping they were gonna send it to me and they did. So it says the world's best pizza has arrived. Delicious pizza, pizza of the year. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Inside, there's the palette right there, and they have like a little menu on the top. Here's what the palette looks like. It's actually really, really big. It's not too thick, but I mean, it's definitely on the chunkier side. I still think that you could probably store it pretty easily because it's pretty flat. It's just really large. So I'm not gonna go too in-depth on this because I am gonna post a review. This is gonna be launching on the 12th, so in 2 days from now. And by the time you see the Sunday haul, you may have already seen that video and it's just gonna be redundant at that point. So I'm not gonna do swatches now or anything. I just wanna show you the inside really quick. So it has a really big mirror, and then down here, all of the shades. And I love how each shade looks like that actual thing. Like the red onions, the bacon, the pineapple, green peppers, extra cheese, mushrooms. It is so super cute. So if you didn't see my video that should already be posted on my channel, definitely check that out so you can see swatches and a look and the whole 9 yards. And then the second box was from Profusion Cosmetics, and they sent a little card. Let me just show you what it says. It says, Jennifer, thank you for your continued love and support for our brand. Enclosed, please find a special holiday gift from us and 1 extra for a friend or a lucky follower. Happy holidays, Team Profusion. So what they sent over is their beauty chest. So this is a 41-piece pro makeup kit, and inside you've got tons of eyeshadows, blushes, bronzer. You have a couple of brushes, an eye brush and a face brush. And then it looks like a glittery lip topper. And it also has a mirror inside, which is really cute as well. And they did send one additional one. It's all wrapped and ready to go to one of you guys. So I'm gonna leave a link to the giveaway down below. So why don't we go ahead? I just wanna open this up and swatch a couple colors and see what it's like. All right, so I just swatched a couple colors on my hand. This top row here is all eyeshadows. I did 3 shimmery shades and then 1 matte. And then down here, I did some blushes, highlighter, and bronzer. So it's just a really fun, colorful, pretty palette, super affordable as well. So again, don't forget the giveaway link down below. Good morning, guys. It's Tuesday. I just got a box from Pixie Beauty, and it says here that it's from their Skin Treats line. So I am really excited because I just love their skincare so much. It's probably my favorite part of their line. So let's go ahead and open this up. Right, so here's what's inside. It's a giant bottle of Glow Tonic, and it has my name on it, which is so cool. They actually did this last year, and I'm not even completely through the bottle because it's giant, and you really don't need to use a lot of this stuff. And I don't use it every day either because it's a glycolic acid toner. So I use it every couple of days just to smooth out my skin and get rid of the dead stuff on top. But this actually takes it a step further. Last year, they just sent the bottle, but now it comes in this like plastic tray with some cotton rounds and a spot to hold them. That is so cute. I'm so excited because I was just thinking the other day that the bottle that I have from last year, I don't know how good it is anymore. I mean, skincare lasts a while, but it's nice to have a refresh. And then next up, I also got my Black Friday order from Beauty Creations, and I had ordered their Esmeralda 1 and 2 palettes. These are relatively new. I've had my eye on them for a little while since they came out, but they had such a good deal on Black Friday that I decided to just go ahead and order them. So here's what number 1 looks like. Esmeralda is actually the owner of Beauty Creations, so these are like her palettes. So this one here has definitely like a fall vibe going on. You have some greens, orange, yellows, reds. It's just very like sort of muted fall colors, nothing too bright. And then number 2 is actually very similar, except instead of greens, you have some blues. You also have a few rosier tones down here that this one doesn't have. But looking at them side by side, they're very, very close actually. And I was noticing too, as I was looking at them, that some of the shades in this one are the same in this one, but they're just a different finish. Like this yellow is a shimmer in this palette, and this is almost the same color, but it's a matte. Or here you have a shimmery navy blue, and then in this one you have a matte navy blue. So I don't know that I necessarily needed both of these because I feel like they look really close in person, more so than they did on the website. But they had like a bundle deal going on, so I just ended up grabbing them both. I wasn't really sure which one to pick. So let's go ahead and try swatching a couple of shades and see what the quality is like. I really do enjoy their Tease Me palette, so let's see. Wow, so right off the bat, that is some crazy intense metallic shimmer. Let's try this one. Wow, these are swatching really beautifully. I mean, of course, what really matters is how they go on your eyes, but let's see. All right, that matte, I mean, came out a little bit weaker, but not too bad. It is kind of a light peachy color. Let's try this green. This one's a matte shade as well. Yeah, the mattes, as far as swatching goes, aren't impressing me nearly as much as the shimmer shades are, but they're not terrible. Let's try maybe one more matte out of this palette. That one's actually really nice. That one went on very smoothly, very pigmented, not patchy. So, all right, let's just try 1 or 2 shades in the other palette. I'm really wanting to see what this metallic blue looks like. This is so beautiful. Oh my goodness, look how pretty. That is so gorgeous. There's like a tiny little bit of fallout, but it's not too bad. That is so gorgeous. What about this purple right here? Look at how pretty that is too. What a gorgeous color. This is really nice. Okay, so if you guys want to see reviews on these, as always, let me know in the comments below and I can do a video on these 2 palettes. But so far, I think this formula seems pretty good. These shimmer shades were all amazing, and then the mattes seemed a little bit hit or miss, but again, it could just be that they don't necessarily swatch super well. So let me know your thoughts, you guys, in the comments below. Hey guys, it is Friday night. I just got my Boxycharm in the mail, so I just wanted to open it up quickly and show you what I got. This is something that I subscribe to. It's not PR or anything like that. So the first thing in the box is the Protégé palette from Suva Beauty. This is actually brand new. It's an unreleased palette. It's debuting here in Boxycharm first, and then it's going to be available on their website. I believe this brand is also available at Bloomingdale's. So this palette's going to retail for $36. It has 2 highlighters and 6 eyeshadows. And what they did is include 3 cool toned eyeshadows and then 3 warm tones. So you have both to play with, which I think is really cool. And I've never tried their formula before, so I'm really excited to swatch a couple shades and see what it's like. So let's go ahead and try it out. Okay, so that one is definitely really buttery and creamy, and I'm loving this shade right here. Let's try the warm tone shimmer. That is gorgeous. The rest of the shades are matte, so let's take a look at how those swatch. So it's really pigmented, but kind of like a lot of really deeper matte shades. It feels a little bit more scratchy and less soft. Let's try this brown. This one's kind of the same way. It doesn't mean that it's not going to perform well on the eyes. I mean, you can tell the pigment is definitely there. I think they just aren't great at swatching. So let's see this one on this side. Yeah, this one is a lot smoother and a lot more buttery feeling. Let's try the ivory shade. This one too. So I think it's just like the deeper colors that are kind of having a little bit of issues. But like I said, I feel like that's pretty common with deeper matte shades. Let's see what the highlighters are like. Okay, so that's that one there. That's super shiny, very smooth. It doesn't feel like chunky or anything. And then there's also a cooler toned highlight over here. That's really, really pretty too. So anyway, I'm really excited to try something new from a brand that I've never tried before. So that's the palette. And then there's also a face palette from Wander Beauty. And this is their Wanderess Dusk to Dawn Blush and Highlighter palette. And I believe they said this one was exclusive to Boxycharm right now. Yes, but I have seen Wander Beauty's little eyeshadow palettes at Sephora, and I actually want to pick up the cool toned one because it looked really pretty. So I'm excited to see what the blush palette looks like. So I love the packaging. It has a beach scene on it. That is really pretty. And then inside, okay, so the pans are a little bit on the narrow side, which I'm not really a big fan of when it comes to face palettes. I feel like they could have used a little bit more space and just made these wider. But let's go ahead and test out these blushes because these look really pretty. This one is Tuscan Sunrise. It's kind of more of a satiny finish, I would say. It's not overly shimmery. This one is Havana Nights. That one is gorgeous. I'm loving this color too. And then here's the highlighter, which is like a gold. A little bit too deep for my skin tone, I would say, as a highlighter, but I would definitely use that on my eyes as well. The formula feels really nice, so I'm excited to play around with this one. Then they also sent over the Cosmetics Detox Activated Charcoal Mask. So let me just see what it says about this. This one retails for $30. By the way, the Wander palette, it retails for $26. This one says that it visibly improves the brightness of your skin while activated charcoal and kaolin clay draw out dirt and impurities from your pores. So that's that one. They also sent over a lip liner from Bodyography. This is worth $12, and it says it's vegan, cruelty-free, antioxidant-rich, infused with coconut oil and vitamin E. The smooth yet long-wearing formula glides on effortlessly, delivering durable pigment that can frame, fill in, and define the lips. So let me just see what this color looks like. It looks really pretty. So it doesn't feel like the creamiest lip liner in the world. It tugs at my skin a little bit. It just kind of feels like an average pencil lip liner. And then the last product in the box is the Tarteist Shimmering Lip Paint. I have the regular lip paints, like the matte ones. I don't know if these are toppers. Let me see. Yeah, it says a sheer lip gloss infused with shimmering glitter delivers a luscious, multi-dimensional, and high shine finish. So these retail for $20, and this one is the shade Insta Famous. Let's just take a look. This looks really pretty. There's multicolored glitter in here. Yeah, so it's basically just like a clear lip gloss topper with multicolored glitter in it. It's really pretty. It also has a really strong vanilla scent because I can smell it from back here. So, you know, not the most exciting thing in the world, I would say, but I think it's going to be really pretty as a lip topper. So overall, I think this month's box was pretty good. It's not my favorite box that I've ever gotten from Boxycharm, but it's definitely not the worst either. I think it's like I said, it's pretty good. I think I'll use everything in the box. I'm not quite sure about the lip liner because it did feel a little bit on the drier side, but everything else I would definitely use. So let me know in the comments below if you guys get Boxycharm. If you do, did you get the same boxes I did, or did you get some other products? Love to hear your thoughts. Alright guys, that does it for this week's edition of New Makeup Sunday. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, definitely don't forget to hit the like button down below. Also, let me know in the comments below what your favorite products were this week and what you'd love to see me do reviews on going forward. Thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I do hauls like this every single Sunday and reviews throughout the week. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next time.